Good morning guys, I just wanted to make a quick update video to let you know what I've been up to over the last 4 days. Yeah, 4 days I've been here in the workshop working on my van, and I've got a ton of footage. I've just realised that it's going to take me forever to get this footage edited, so I thought I'd make this video so that at least you've got something to watch and you're bang up to date on what I've been up to. Now, as you can probably see, my bed is now considerably higher than it used to be. So high, in fact, my head touches the ceiling. I lost count how many times I hit my head on the cupboard last night when I was laying here. But here's the thing. I'll take my shoes off. I'll give you a clue of what I've been up to. If I move all this out of the way, you can see I can now lay extremely comfortably across my bed. Now, I could lay across my bed before because it was 6'1", I think, across, and I'm 6 foot. But what I couldn't do is point my toes out like this. And if I open my curtains, you can see I've got tons of room now. But here's the thing. I thought whilst I've got all this out, I'd raise my bed so that I could get my bike underneath my bed a lot easier. But look where the window is. The mattress is actually pretty much above the window line, so in the winter when my glass gets condensated, I know I'm going to end up with a really soggy wet mattress. I can't have that. I simply can't have that. This side is pretty fine, although the window is a little bit lower than it was originally. It's still not going to be touching the mattress, but when I put my pillow there, it will most definitely touch my pillow. So from experience, I know that these windows do collect condensation in the winter. So I've got to take all this out again, and trust me, it was no easy feat putting this mattress in the back of this van. I'll run a little clip. I'll give you a little, I'll see if I can go through this footage and add it to this video so you can see how I struggled to get this mattress in my van. It's a latex foam mattress, and it doesn't bend that easily. And because the mattress is wider than the door opening, because remember I've now got side outs in my van, getting it in from like through the back door, like I say, it was a struggle. I'll show you a clip of that if I can find it. Hang on, let me push it. No. No. Right, no. You push it up then.
Steve's got it up higher than you.
Hang on, Steve, I've got to put this in. Hang on, come out a bit. Come out. Come out.
You go up.
Out. No, right, you go up. Up, and I'm going to go in. That's it. Okay. You got it.
And
up a bit more.
You're stuck on the wood.
Right, that's it. No, don't push it in any further. It's got to come out.
I'm not pushing it at all.
I pushed it by mistake.
Look, you come out. Right, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed that clip. I hope that gave you a laugh. Let's go outside and I'll show you what the van looks like now, so you can see what I've been up to. So here we are inside the barn. Thank you, Kevin, for turning the lights on. Right, so this is what I've been up to over the last 4 days. Well, today's day 4, so it's taken me 3 days to do this. Let's put these flares onto my van. As you can see, this is the smaller side. Trust me, it does make a massive difference even having this tiny little bit of extra space in the van. Well worth fitting the smaller side if you're thinking about fitting flares. A lot of people don't bother with this side, but I can assure you it's well worth doing. The only thing you have to bear in mind is if you fit glass to it, there's not a lot of room. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but as you can see, if I get that at the right angle, it is very, very close to the door. A lot of anxiety whether or not to fit that glass, but again, I'm glad I did. So here's the other side. As you can see, this side is considerably bigger. Now you can't go any bigger than this really because of the back door. My back doors fold all the way round, and if this stuck out any further, it would actually clash against the back door. This is something I was really worried about, whether or not you could actually open the doors. Again, a lot of anxiety, but I'll show you. Hang on, got the door stopper. Look how close this is. It just about touches it when it hits the magnet. Yeah, it's like a tiny little gnat's whisper. It's like, morning Kev.
Good morning, Jenna.
Come around this side, you can see there. So if that flare stuck out any further, it would definitely hit the door and it wouldn't be much good. So let's get back to the mattress. Why did I hire the mattress? Why did I make it higher? Why was it such a mistake? Well, the reason I rose the mattress height was so the mattress went inside the flare. But like I say, by doing that, it's actually touching the window. I can't have that because I know in the winter it is going to interfere. It's going to get condensation on it. So that's my big mistake today. Like I say, because the mattress fits inside the flares, it's actually a lot wider than the opening of the door. And it took 3 of us to try and fold the mattress up and slide it inside. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be taking the mattress back out, lowering the bed, and then I'll have to trim some of the edges or sides of the mattress off so that it goes below the flares. The only thing is then I'm going to end up with a hard surface. I need coffee. So I've got to edit this video and get it up for you guys tonight. Yeah, I'm going to end up with a hard surface, like a windowsill, if you like, each side of the mattress. But I'd much rather have that than condensation in the winter, coming down and making my bedding all wet.
Do you want a cup of coffee now?
Oh, I'd love a cup of coffee. Thank you.
I've
Only had one today so far.
Oh, sorry. Have you got a cup here? Or
Yeah, I'll grab you my cup.
Yep, one is that.
I just figured to myself, there's got to be an easier way of doing this. So, ratchet straps. Gotta love them. There you go. That's got to be easier. I never thought I'd be using ratchet straps to get a mattress in and out of my van. Let's just move this back a bit. Bloody hell, these things are big. Well, it's out. Might be a bit dirty now though. It's just so awkward. So I put ratchet straps on it so I could get it out.
Yeah.
But then I dropped it. It's fucking dirty. It's so awkward to
Right, hang on. Which way is it going?
Up on there.
Up on there.
This end facing this way, I guess. Yeah, so you first.
Yep.
Yeah. You should have seen us struggling getting it in.
Just gives a shape.
Yeah, just didn't think anyone was around.
Yeah.
Is it going to rain today?
It's supposed to rain today, yeah. It's drizzling now.
Does it leak there, did you say?
Yeah. Grab that trestle. Just, yeah, just so
Oh yeah, you can see, yeah.
Yeah. There should be good.
Thank you. What a pain. This is pretty much what it's been like for the last 4 days. One disaster after another. Let's hope it's all worth it. I'm sure it will be.